decided to make a mistake with my hair, which is to bleach it myself. I want my hair to look like Narcissa Malfoy. Narcissa Malfoy vibes. Obviously without dyeing the top bit black though. I ain't got time to keep up with roots like that. Really hope I have enough for this. Otherwise I'll just section my hair for no reason. I think it will be enough. I hope. Come here. Are you making the thing shake? Okay.
Yeah, it's literally just like here or.
Well, I just want to show my hair.
You all over the place, baby. Lord, that's not the one.
My original bleaching yesterday went bad. These bits are fine, if a bit yellow. But there was a few splotches at the back, so I've had Ethan's mum go over them for me. And now we wait. I'm gonna do a bleach bath after on this lot, like all over, just to neutralise it and then tone it, because it still has quite a lot of yellow in it. So I think if I bleach bath it, it will be better, and also it's not as harsh as just bleaching it again. I'm going to do a bleach bath now. Final thing, which is toning. I'm really happy with it. Really well. I don't even know if you can see that. I think it's really cute. Going into this, I'd seen quite a few people doing this. It's all over my TikTok page. Every girl on TikTok has their hair like this, I know. But also Narcissa Malfoy, Lisa from Blackpink had her hair like this. Charli, even though hers is pink, she has basically the same bleach dye job as me, and loads of other girls on Pinterest and stuff. So I wanted to dye it like this because of that. So I just thought I'd show the products that I actually used for this, because I didn't show them while I was actually filming. I used this Jerome Russell Be Blonde High Lift Powder Bleach, which is the one that I always use. I've used it for a long time. Basically every time I've done the blonde in my hair here, and when I used to dye my hair when I was younger. And then I used it with the Jerome Russell 30 volume Be Blonde bleach, which is for blonde to medium brown hair. The bleach powder itself is for blonde to dark brown hair. This is good, but you can see the results. If you don't like them, you don't have to like them. What I used for the bleach bath, I used this silicone-free shampoo. Silicone-free, sulfate-free. I just mixed this in with bleach. I found the ratio of what it should be. I think it was like 2:1 or something of bleach to shampoo. Toner, I think I showed it in the video. Colour Freedom White Blonde. I don't have the box anymore. I still have quite a bit left, so it's recommended, I think, that you tone it every few weeks, so every few times that you've washed your hair. Obviously I use purple shampoo as well. I use the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Colour Protect Purple Conditioner and Purple Shampoo. I've used this for quite a while now. It's basically the most basic one that you can find. So, thank you for watching. I'm happy with it. Please don't be nasty to me in the comments if you don't like it. I will see you next time that I post a video.